calculate the DPMO now with some numbers. Okay. So right now, take the same example of the shirts. Now, as a shirt quality person, there are 6 defect opportunities: button missing, stain, improper stitching, hole or tear, improper size or improper color shade. Okay. Now, let me just clear this. Now, imagine I am checking 100 shirts. So, number of units is equal to 100. Number of defect opportunities. How many defect opportunities? 6. We have found 6 defect opportunities, right? Now, I have taken 100 shirts. Every shirt, how many possible defects can come? Type in the chat box. Probable defects, opportunities. How many defects per shirt? Type in the chat box. How many defect opportunities are there per shirt? 6. No, per shirt 6, right? So total is 600 because there are 100 shirts I'm checking. So total defect opportunities are 600, right? Now let's look at this. So now I'm checking the shirts. Every shirt I will check for all those 6 defects. And even 1 defects, I will count all the defects in the shirt. Here, I will not stop. If I found 1 defect, I will not stop. I will still look for another defects. Let's say, imagine I found a button missing. So I will just mark button missing. I will look for the stains. I will look for the stitch defect. I will look for the tear defect. I will not stop. That is the difference in the TPM and the DPMO. Are you understanding? I will go for all the defects. I will count all the defects in the shirts. Okay. Now I found number of actual defects. Actual defects. Let's imagine I found it to be 30, let's say. I found 30 defects out of 600. Okay. So the formula for DPMO is, so the formula for DPMO stands for defects per million opportunities. Write this down. Formula for DPMO is number of actual defects divided by number of defect opportunities, number of DO, into number of units, and whole multiply by 1 million because it is per million, right? So let's put the number here. Number of actual defects were 30. I found 30 defects divided by 6 into 100, whole multiply by 1 million, which is 10 raised to 6. Can you just give me the answer? Can you just give me the answer? अरे यहाँ पे 50 के ही आया क्या? Okay, चलो, doesn't matter. So DPMO here is 50,000. Everybody got the same answer, the same thing. Out of 600, if I found 30, out of 1 million, I found 50,000. Are you clear? This is DPMO. Now, do we have to manually do this? No, we need not to do this manually. I will just show you a simple Excel sheet which I cannot share with you. I'm just kidding. I'm going to share this with you. Okay. Now, this is very simple. Simple DPMO calculation Excel sheet I'm having. So, how many number of units? Number of units are 100. Number of defects. How many number of defects found? I found 30 defects. How many number of defect opportunities? I have 6 defect opportunities, right? Per unit. Fantastic. So you can see here DPMO calculation is 50,000. Fantastic. So we need not to do it calculate manually. I'm going to do this, give this DPMO calculator. And what is the beauty? The beauty is below that there is a sigma calculation as well. Wow. Fantabulous. What is this? Sigma calculation. And this is saying 3.14. What does it mean? This means this process is 3.14 sigma process. Wow. So this is called a Z-score. And how have we converted this? This is converted from a formula, and there is a table as well, but you can use an accurate formula. And what is the formula here? Let me give you a formula. Let me put a cursor here, which I have already put, and the formula is this. Let me write this formula for you. The formula is, in Excel also you can find out this formula. The formula is norm sine V. Norm sine V. Okay, this is a formula. In bracket 1 minus, you can see here B8. What is B8? Let me just close this. B8 is this DPMO number. Okay. So 1 minus this DPMO number divided by 1 million, which is 10 lakhs. Okay. Bracket close, plus 1.5. This is the formula. And do I have to remember this? No, I don't have to remember this. Yeah, 1 minus DPMO 10 raised to 6 or 10 lakhs. You can just put 10 lakhs. Bracket close, plus 1.5. This is the formula which can convert directly. It will give you a sigma value, the Z-score. Cool, isn't it? So you just have to put the calculator, collect the data, collect the numbers, put them, and you will find the DPMO, and you will find the sigma value as well. Are you clear with this? Just type yes.